We all know that solar is huge right now. There's no denying it. And it should be. This is the first time in history that the price of solar is affordable enough to offset the ever-increasing energy costs from the electric companies. And you're probably looking for a way to capitalize on the vast increasing solar market in your area. But let's face it, starting a solar company is a huge risk and financial burden. And what about franchises? Well, those are no joke either. You look at this information here for Solar Universe franchise. Liquid capital required $200,000. Initial investment ranging between $100,000 and $300,000. $25,000 franchise fee and royalties of 3%. But what if you could start a solar business for under $1,000? And what if you could leverage the #1 solar company in the United States? And what if you could generate guaranteed 20-year residual income on every successful solar installation that you referred? Oh, and by the way, you wouldn't have to do the install, set up an office, hire employees, or purchase thousands of dollars of solar panels. Does it sound too good to be true? Well, I promise it's not. So what I want you to do is click the link below this video, enter your email, and I'll send you all the information that you need on how you can start a solar business for under $1,000. Click the link below and I'll see you on the other side.